In Java, a priority queue is a special type of queue data structure that orders its elements according to their natural ordering or according to a comparator provided at queue construction time. Unlike a standard queue, which operates on a first-in, first-out (FIFO) principle, a priority queue prioritizes elements so that the element with the highest priority is served before those with lower priority. This priority is determined either by the element's natural order, for example, numbers being ordered numerically, or by a comparator that you provide, allowing for custom prioritization rules. Key points about priority queue in Java. It is part of the java.util package. It does not allow null elements. It is not thread-safe. For concurrent use, consider using priority blocking queue. The iterator provided in the queue does not guarantee to traverse the elements in the priority order. For ordered traversal, consider using arrays or sorting, though typically, you just pull elements to process them in priority order. In this example, integers are added to the priority queue, and they are ordered naturally, from smallest to largest. When polling the queue, PriorityQueue.poll, elements are removed based on their priority, starting with the smallest number. Priority queue is particularly useful in algorithms that rely on priority-based scheduling or ordering, such as Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm, or any scenario where managing a dynamically changing set of items in an ordered way is required. Hit subscribe to join Java Tech Stories and unlock a world of Java programming insights, tips, and stories designed to elevate your coding journey.